It is estimated that there will be nearly 10 billion people on Earth by 2050. That's 3 billion more mouths to feed than there currently are today, which means more food will need to be raised and grown to meet the food demands of a growing population. People around the world consume beef, in particular in the United States. Beef has 10 essential nutrients, such as protein and iron. Every day, cattle ranching families are trying to raise a healthy and safe product, while at the same time maintaining a profitable business and being stewards of natural resources like water and soil. How can we, as cattle ranchers, raise beef cows in a way that balances production, economic, environmental, and social needs? How can you construct a model of a cattle ranch that addresses these concerns? Here's a way to start. Get a team together and start brainstorming ways to produce more beef while taking care of the land and environment. Research beef cattle health, land and environmental management, beef cattle nutrition, and costs of production. Finally, produce and share a presentation that communicates your solution and knowledge gained. We can't wait to see what you come up with.